Welcome to the Digital Marketing Fundamentals course, your gateway to mastering digital marketing. In today's digital world, understanding digital marketing is a must for business success. Whether you are a business owner, aspiring marketer, or simply curious, this course is tailored to help you thrive online. Join us as we delve into the core principles of digital marketing, providing you with the tools to connect with your audience, drive traffic, and achieve your goals. We'll explore the evolution of digital marketing and why traditional methods fall short in today's digital landscape. Simplified Digital Marketing Fundamentals. The power of SEO, Search Engine Optimization, SEO, is your compass to being discovered online. In this section, we'll dive into SEO, guiding you through strategies to enhance your website's visibility on search engines. From pinpointing the right keywords to optimizing your site, you'll learn how to boost organic traffic and enhance your ranking. Unveiling SEM, Search Engine Marketing, SEM, is a game changer via paid advertising. Learn the ABCs of SEM and delve into platforms like Google Ads. We'll guide you in creating impactful campaigns, selecting prime keywords, and maximizing your investment. By the way, if you're eager to explore these topics further and connect with like-minded learners, you can find us on Instagram. Just head to the link in our bio. Let's dive into digital marketing together. Exploring social media. Social media has revolutionized connections. In this module, we'll dive deep into social media marketing on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Learn to expand your brand's reach, engage with your audience, and drive conversions. Mastering email marketing. Email marketing remains a potent tool for nurturing leads and building strong customer relationships. We'll guide you through crafting compelling email campaigns that captivate, engage, and drive outcomes. Gain techniques to expand your subscriber list, automate emails, and enhance customer retention. Congratulations! You've completed the Digital Marketing Fundamentals course. Armed with these skills, you're primed to excel in the digital domain. Don't hesitate. Enroll now and unveil the secrets to becoming a digital marketing pro. Elevate your online presence, connect with a broader audience, and reach the heights you aspire to. Join us today.